Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure XAMPP 8.2 version on RHEL 9. But the process is same on all RHEL versions. Open any web browser, then go to Apache friends.org to download the XAMPP. See, XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment, and it is completely free, easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP and Perl. Okay, so for Linux you have to click on XAMPP for Linux and its version is 8.2.12. Click on it. Wait a moment, it is going to download. It doesn't, you have to click on here. Okay, see, download has been started and its size is 153 megabytes. Download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads. Let's see, here we have the XAMPP run file. So give sudo dot, then copy this file, paste it. It won't work. Just I want to show you the error and how to grant permissions. See, command not found. So first we have to modify the permission. Chmod a plus 755 XAMPP. Give the tab to autofill. And hit enter. Now run the sudo dot XAMPP, then give the tab to autofill and hit enter. See, now click on next. See, by default it has selected XAMPP core files and optionally selected XAMPP developer files. So I want to install both, so select this checkbox also. Then click on next. See, it is going to install in this location, that is /opt and lab. Okay, click on next. Ready to install, so click on next. See, installation has been started. See, installation is completed. Keep the checkbox, that is launch XAMPP, and click on finish. See, this is the XAMPP control panel. Click on manage server. See, MySQL, Pro FTPD and Apache Web Server, all three are stopped. So select the server and click on start. Also select MySQL, then select the start. See, Apache Web Server is stopped. See, sometime you may not start. So install this. See, if you are unable to start web server, just run this command, that is sudo dnf install libnsl. Okay, I have done the same. Now go to the new tab on the browser, then give localhost and hit enter. See, you have successfully connected to XAMPP server. And see here the message, welcome to XAMPP for the Linux 8.2.12. Now click on phpMyAdmin. See, these are the list of the databases. To create new database, click on new. Then provide the database name. I am giving database name as R2 Schools. Then click on create. If you want to run queries against any database, just click on query. Then verify the version of the database. Select and run the submit query. See, we have installed MariaDB 10.4. Okay, you can also create database by using create statement. Create database. Select it. Submit the query. It is success, but it is not showing. So click on this refresh button. See, we have the new database. Okay. Now let us create a sample PHP file and execute it. Go to localhost, hit enter. Then once installation is completed, remove this run file. Now go to install directory, opt lamp ls, go to htdocs ls. See, here we have the index.php. This is the same. Okay. Now create a sudo vi _php, hit enter. Press I to insert mode, then give the PHP tags. PHP echo welcome to. Put semicolon at the end of the statement. Put line break. Echo 8 + 9. Save the file. Now reload this page, remove this dashboard, then give the r_schools.php. Hit enter. I forgot to give shift here. Save the file. Reload this. See, we got the output. Okay. Suppose if you go to control panel, if you stop this Apache server, then see it is stopped. Try to reload this page. See, we are unable to connect. We can only run the PHP web browser whenever Apache web server is up and running. So click on start. Then click on try again. See, we got the output. Okay. Suppose if you want to close this XAMPP control panel and open again, go to here ls cd ls. Now give the sudo .manager /, then copy it, paste it, hit enter. See, we got the control panel. Now we can stop or start these servers. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure XAMPP 8.2.12 on RHEL 9 versions. But the process is same on all RHEL versions. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.